My name is Shawin.
My name is Shawin.
Today I'm building a train.
What's the food? What they are playing?
I know. Cool. How come Kuya Paolo and Kuya Jed's fighting? Is it because of the toys?
Yeah, that's like this.
They're not sharing. You're not sharing your toys?
I agree.
You are angry. My God, you should tell them, hey, don't fight. Share my toys. Tell them, this is a girl's toys. You shouldn't be fighting over here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right
Look, that's a car.
there.
Choo-choo. Train, choo-choo. Train, train, choo-choo. Oh, it's a train. Train, train, choo-choo. Train, train, choo-choo. Mm-hmm. You know how to make train Legos, huh? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. So many Legos. Are you swimming tonight? All night. It's too early. It's still hot back there. Are you gonna swim with Kuya Paolo, Kuya Jed, Kuya Yel, Kuya MM? It's still hot. Okay. Whoa, whoa.
It's not ours, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
It's not ours.
Whose are they? Who's this it? Huh? Them? They're going home? What? Just play with them. Aren't you happy they're here? Shall we?
What's this?
It's Mama's phone, my phone, your phone. Solar phone. That's your phone.
Here's my case.
Yeah, we gotta buy new case. You broke your case already.
But my telephone is broken.
I know, because you keep throwing it when you're angry. You don't throw the phone away when you're angry. And we can't buy you anymore. We don't have any more money to buy you a new phone. Okay? Because you're so angry. You better hold your temper, girl. You can't be angry all the time and throw stuff away and you're gonna break it. You can't buy any more new ones. Wow, looks like a tower. It's a top. Yeah.
Oh, I'm just walking.
Oh. You toppled the tower.
Oh, no.
You broke.
It's not ours, Daddy.
Whose are they?
Oh,
Them? Why? You don't like them? When you're happy, you like them. When you're angry, you want them to go home. That's not friendship. It's all about showing. When you're angry, you forgive. When you're happy, you play.
this one. It's not ours, Daddy.
Whose are they? Is that Kuya MM? Kuya Jed? Kuya Ian? Ah, Kuya Paolo. They're going home. They're gonna take their toys. It's your feet, Sean. It's so dirty. Did you shower today? You didn't shower. Why not?
1, 2, 3. What's this? A dog.
A top? The tower top?
Red? No.
Okay, tell me.
Okay.
That's... You know that. The next one.
Red.
The top one?
Whoa. I think that's blue.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
It's... What color is it? Red.
What's that?
Right there.
What's that? Oh, I know.
Mm-hmm.
No, not like that. Happy.
Yeah.
I know this.
What is it?
I will feel a car.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know. Oh, I found it.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
No, don't block it. No. Let's block it.
Who broke it?
It's fixed. Meow. Meow.
What is that? What is that?
I don't know, Daddy.
It's a monkey. Yeah. What about this? Cow. What about this? It's a cat.
Daddy, why so long?
It's long?
Why so long?
It's wrong because that match. They don't match. They didn't match. You have to put them together where they can match and fit in right. Agent Shawin fixing the train. Train. Look at those feet in the background. They look happy feet. Look at the background. Look at the back, shall we? Look, happy feet. Happy feet. And this is dirty feet. Shawi's dirty feet. What is that? Chicken.
Wow. No, I broke it.
Why you broke it? You broke it, Shawin. You broke it. You fix it. You fix it now, okay? The boss is coming. He's going to check the train, okay? Okay. If the train broken, he's not going to run on the rail, okay? Okay, Shawin?